Okay, we have the third row done on this other wreath. Okay, I just wanted to give you, show you other options you could possibly do. Um, one thing you can do is cut 10-inch mesh using the cream, and I have like a gold here. You can do it like a 10-inch yellow, uh, or whatever color you want. Just do another color in the center. You can do that absolutely. Whatever your creative mind comes up with. But what I want to do here, I took 21-inch mesh, cut it with my wood burning tool 7 inches. Then I cut it, it was 21 inches, so I cut it 3 other places, well, 2 other places. So it's 7 inches, 7 inches, 7 inches. Okay. So we got 3 out of 1 strip, 7 by 7 inch pieces. Okay. And what I want to do is add this to my 10 by 10 that I've already made. Now, if you have maybe just a 10-inch roll of yellow, you can try that. Just, do 5 by 5. It should work out perfectly fine. The only reason I'm doing this is to try to make it look like pollen in the middle of the flower. That's a little bit crooked. Okay, let's try this again. Let's do this way and this way. Okay. And see how you can see that little bit of yellow sticking out? You can still see the coral, but you got that yellow too. So let's see what that looks like in this wreath. Do this real quick, kind of get this in here. Make this center again. Put this petal in here, and you can tell me what you think. If that's, if it's too much yellow, then don't do it. If you don't like it, you don't need to do it. But this is just something I kind of wanted to experiment with. I don't know if I'm going to like it or not, but I'm going to continue doing this around the center, and we'll see how it turns out. So I will be back in just a little bit. Okay, and this is how this looks with the yellow center, with the yellow added to the coral for the center. It's just something different. It's just an option you can do. You don't have to, but just a little experiment that I did that I thought I'd like to try. But anyhow, I wanted to show you, we want to add felt to the back of our wreath. Okay. And also, I don't know if you can really see this, but I did 6 around the 4th row and did 3 in the very center. Okay. So actually, okay. But anyhow, we did that. I'm going to set this aside because I want to show you how I make the center for the back of the wreath. So you can see I've done several already. Okay. what I want to do is trace out a circle. Okay. And what I'm going to do, because we're going to attach it to this second ring. So I'm going to make it just slightly larger than that second ring. Because when we cut it, I don't want any of that black showing. Okay. There we go. And just cut just inside the where I traced. Does it have to be perfect? No. Should it be a little bit straight? If you can, try to be as, you know, of course we want to try to be as perfect as possible. But if you're not completely perfect, don't worry about it. Keep spinning this around. Like I said, you're in right inside the line where you traced. Okay. So there we have our little round circle. Now we're going to use zip ties to tie this together. So again, what we're going to do, use your Sharpie again and kind of just in like kind of the center point between the third and second ring. Just kind of do a little dot. Okay. And what I'll do is cut the tiniest little hole that I can. Right there. Because that's where we're going to stick our 8-inch zip tie through. Okay. Now let me get my wreath. I'll get my 8-inch zip ties. And as gently as possible, turn this back over. You don't want to smush it, but let's kind of go right here, kind of in towards the center. Kind of push it back up through here. Okay, we're on the third ring. Oh goodness. Okay, let's get it through here first. Then go down through, come back up. And I'm not going to tie that, let it go completely too tight just yet. Take that through here. Down through. Kind of maneuver the petals so you can get in between them. And just don't tighten it completely tight. Because we just want to make sure we can it's all spaced evenly. Well, as evenly as possible anyway. We're almost there. Okay, let's move this over a little bit. Last one. So I leave that outer ring exposed because that's where I want to be able to hang the wreath. Okay, now we've got them all tightened up. See, it's all covered, so nobody can see all the, everything that you've done in the back there. Even though it looks halfway decent, yeah, you just still, this way it looks somewhat clean in the back where no one, if somebody has to put this on a screen door or something like that, it works out just fine. Okay, and there you go. That is everything. That is the end of our tutorial. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you've learned something new. And if you have any questions, again, I am on Facebook under Patty Davis. You can message me there. You could message me under my Facebook business page, which is Crooked Tree Creations, Rustic Elegance with, Rustic Wreaths with an Elegant Twist. And, if you have questions, find me and I will do whatever I can to help you out. Okay? I hope you have a great rest of the day. I hope this turned out for you. And I will talk to you again very soon. Thank you.